Commanding Officer for the St. James Police Division, Senior Superintendent Eron Samuels, is expressing concern about the number of women being killed in the parish. On the weekend, a female soup vendor became the latest victim, and before her, on May 1, a man killed his common-law wife during a dispute at their Catherine Hall home.
We are very appalled that we have so many violent incidents surrounding women. Most of our murders, in fact, 12 of our murders since the start of the year, have been due to interpersonal incidents. And we want to appeal to the residents of St. James. When you have or hear about these situations that are interpersonal in nature, maybe domestic violence, maybe just in one-on-one persons having their disputes, let us know so that we can intervene to try and avoid any of these incidents evolving into murder.
SSP Samuels also provided an update on the investigation into some of the incidents.
Several of our incidents, we have made some significant breakthroughs. The incident that occurred in Catherine Hall, the person is in custody. He has been charged with the murder of the young lady. For Melissa Samnat, we are making some great progress in that investigation, and the husband, Mr. Dane Watson, is a person of interest. We are actively looking for him, and we are appealing to the public to help us in finding him.